Hello people, it's Mishan. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे. Today we are going to talk about this upcoming movie जिसका बहुत टाइम से इंतजार है लोगों का. इसकी शूटिंग 2019 में हो गई थी, बट ड्यू टू कोविड एंड अदर फैक्टर्स ये मूवी रिलीज़ नहीं हो पाई. 2020 में रिलीज़ होनी थी वैसे, बट नाउ इट इज़ रिलीजिंग स्ट्रीमिंग डायरेक्टली ऑन प्राइम फ्रॉम 16th of October. The movie is called Sardar Udham and it is based on Udham Singh, who is being played by Vicky Kaushal. So जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है, he was the one who assassinated, Lieutenant Dyer. And if you don't know who Lieutenant Dyer is, you are missing something really huge from, history. He was the man responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Horrific as it sounds, वो मूवीज़ में बहुत बार दिखाया हुआ है, चाहे वो रंग दे बसंती जैसी मूवीज़ हो या फिर थोड़ी फिलौरी जैसी मूवीज़ हो. बट जलियांवाला बाग हैज़ बिन वन ऑफ दोज really significant moments, जिसकी वजह से वो एक ऐसा मोमेंट था जिसके बाद people decided that this is enough. अंग्रेज़ों को जाना है यहाँ से, बहुत हो गया, लात मार कर निकालो इन्हें यहाँ से. That was like the tipping point. पहले क्या था, सब सहन कर रहे थे, धीरे धीरे रेवोल्यूशन था, बट इट वाज नॉट ऐसा रेवोल्यूशन नहीं था. जलियांवाला बाग डिड दैट एंड it was really horrible. So I have actually मैं अमृतसर गया हूँ and मैंने वो जगह देखी है, and man, history is scary. So this is the official trailer. It's 2 minutes and 29 seconds long. It is directed by Shujit Sarkar, so I am pretty confident that this is going to be an amazing one. I really love his direction. He make really nice movies, चाहे वो पीकू जैसी movies हो या फिर last year he directed गुलाबो सिताबो, which I really enjoyed. So चलिए ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हुए let's watch the trailer and Vicky Kaushal, man, let's go.
The Indians never forgive their enemies. They strike them down even after 20 years.
Gandhi has left Delhi for Amritsar.
Arrest Gandhi.
और अगर आप कुछ नहीं किया ना तो अगले 100 साल तक इन अंग्रेजों के नीचे रहेंगे.
अंदर भी जब एंटर करोगे तो ये दिखाना.
I see death, no sleep in years. Monday को church, Friday को cinema hall, और Saturdays को club.
The freedom of your people should be there.
I fight different way.
तुम चले जाओ यहाँ से.
अगर हमने यहाँ लंदन में ब्रिटिश के हार्ट पे कुछ कर दिया, हमारा मैसेज पूरे वर्ल्ड तक जाएगा.
What is the next target?
Revolution is a dangerous game. We need to set an example.
Sir.
Uday Singh, are you?
Yes. Frank Brazil. Yes.
You're Uday Singh?
Yes. What's your real name? मर्डर को प्रोटेस्ट मानेगा या प्रोटेस्ट को मर्डर मानेगा, आपका ब्रिटिश लॉ. मुझे एक रिवॉल्वर चाहिए. Tell people I was a revolutionary.
October 16th, man. Next week. This is going to be really good. I have I'm feeling really good vibes इस trailer से, and I think this is going to be a really good I won't say one-time watch. I think this is going to be way better and superior than one-time watch. क्योंकि जिस तरीके का डायरेक्शन, जिस तरीके की सीरियसनेस, जिस तरीके की प्लानिंग, जिस तरीके का द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हाउ उधम सिंह असैसिनेटेड लिeutenant Dyer, इट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. जो लास्ट सीन था ना, इट दैट लालटेन लेके इन clothes filled with blood, he's like कोई जिंदा है, कोई जिंदा है. It's like 1650 shots were fired. How many families were just wiped? How many families जिनके family members were there? Utter destruction. किसी ना किसी की खोपड़ी घूमनी थी, उधम सिंह की घूमी, मार दिया. It is justified. If you take a decision like that, you have to face circumstances like that. And I think जिस तरीके का ये ट्रेलर है, I really hope and क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा फील आ रहा है कि ये इसमें और भी अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स दिखाए जाएंगे, जैसे चाहे वो गांधी जी से रिलेटेड हो या चाहे बोस से रिलेटेड हो, काफ़ी सारे इसमें एस्पेक्ट्स हमें दिखाए जाएंगे. आई रियली होप दिखाएं, क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो हमारी हिस्ट्री बहुत वास्ट है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत इंस्पायरिंग है. And there have been a lot of debates, and then the world is divided. India is divided. Sorry, I will not say world is divided. World will divide over Indian history pe, but India is divided. Some people support Gandhi ji. Some people say that Gandhi is the reason that Pakistan exists, Indian Pakistan, blah blah blah. But there are a lot of factors, and I think this movie will actually this movie will actually raise a lot of debates. That's what I feel. I can be wrong though, but I feel like कि इस मूवी से बहुत ज़्यादा debates होंगी. And लोग कहते हैं जैसे गांधी जी ने इंडिया पाकिस्तान की वजह से, but they don't understand that अगर गांधी जी नहीं होते तो हम आज भी शायद, या तो हम पैदा नहीं होते, पैदा हुए होते तो किसी अंग्रेज में लैट्रीन साफ कर रहे होते, जैसे परेश रावल ने कहा था नायक मूवी में, which is absolutely true, man. Because of him, he played a huge role in our independence. There are a lot of people, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru. I mean, just name them. There are so many freedom fighters. But you should understand, the father of the nation is the reason. For a reason, he is the father of the nation. But ठीक है, अपने views हैं. I don't want to, just imply कि मैं अपने views किसी पे थोपूं या कोई अपने views उस पे थोपे. So I just, the moment I said it, I just realized that I don't want, guys, please, it's a request. If you follow me, if you are a subscriber, even if you're not, if you watch my videos, please do not, initiate any kind of fight. मैंने हाथ जोड़े हैं इस time आपके आगे. Do not initiate any kind of fight in the comments, please. So, talking about the cinematic aspect of the movie, this looks really great. I know that Amol Parashar will be playing Bhagat Singh. If you guys don't know who Amol Parashar is, he's the one who played Chitwan in the TVF series called Tripling. So that is like a really interesting casting, man. Because I cannot imagine him as Bhagat Singh. Amol Parashar, the kind of roles that he play, the kind of it's really difficult to imagine him as Bhagat Singh. But जैसा मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, I have faith in Shujit Sarkar, and I think he can create magic. So you never know, man. You never know. So that's it, guys. Please tell me your thoughts. आप क्या सोचते हैं? मेरे हिसाब से विकी कौशल looks really amazing. I think that, and it is a really good casting also for Udham Singh, and I think he'll do really great in this role. He'll do justice. That's what I feel. But क्योंकि जितना भी मैंने footage देखा, it looks really convincing. It looks entertaining. It looks gripping. But आप मुझे बताइए, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that विकी कौशल के अलावा कोई और एक्टर होता जिसने ये रोल ज़्यादा अच्छे से प्ले किया होता, या विकी कौशल is the perfect casting? What are your thoughts? Please do let me know in the comments down below. And जैसा मैंने बोला, no लड़ाई, please. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the section down below. If you disagree with anything I said, या कुछ भी, तो आप dislike भी कर सकते हैं इस वीडियो को. That's totally okay. And what else? I have a second channel, a gaming channel. So if you guys are interested in watching that too, so उसका भी link नीचे description box में available है. And if you guys want, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Stardust, and all the other social media apps. सारे links नीचे description box में हैं. And that's it. I'll see you soon. एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Till then, bye bye. Take care and stay safe.